welcome to Crafty Sophie and Friends. Today we're going to show you how to put a balloon inside a balloon inside a balloon with confetti inside.
Balloonception. Okay.
Balloonception.
All right.
This is my dad.
Hello, everybody. My assistant went out and bought this at the store, and by my assistant I mean my wife. I don't know where she got this. But this is one of the things we bought. These are the clear balloons with the actual confettis. They come like this.
And you will need clear balloons and different color balloons.
Yes, and it actually brings a little funnel to put the confetti inside the
Yes,
balloon.
so you don't
You're
need to go
a pencil
looking at your
to help you put the balloons inside the balloons. This is how we put the balloon inside the balloon without damaging them. Okay, so first you grab the big balloon. Then you grab the other balloon. Then you grab the pencil. First you put the pencil inside the first balloon. Then you put the balloon inside the other balloon. That's it.
It is that simple.
It's really that easy. Now, what you got to do is
below the balloon.
Afterwards, is first you blow the balloon that's inside first. So, for example, are we only going to put one balloon or two balloons inside the balloon? Just one?
Two balloons.
Okay, let's do one and one. Okay, so grab the first balloon.
Yes.
Right? Try not to fill it up too much. Okay, just a little bit.
Not that big.
It's okay like that. It should be fine. I'll show you. The other balloon is way bigger than this one. Right? Right? And then that's pretty much it. So after you have that one balloon inside the other balloon filled,
we got the confetti.
Grab some of the confetti.
Ooh,
put the funnel on the balloon. You need help there, buddy?
No.
You sure? Because it looks like you're making a mess. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no. Confetti everywhere.
Okay. Can you please hold this, assistant? Number 2. Thank you. All right. Wait, Ballet. Wait. All right. Let's see if we can do it like this because this is not working.
Like fish food from my fish.
Yeah, it is flaky. You're absolutely right. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Ew, got green confetti.
Why do you say ew?
It's not disgusting, man.
It really isn't.
No, Valentina. Confetti.
You know what the beauty of this is?
Confetti. No, no one knows.
There you go.
You have to wait.
There you go. Okay. There's a whole bunch of confetti.
Can I blow the clear one?
No, it's gonna be tougher. When we do the second one, you can do it. Okay?
Alright.
Remember, we're doing 2.
Alright.
Because it's so
We're
easy.
all fair
Doesn't
here.
take up a lot of
We're
time.
all fair.
All right, here we go. You want to try doing one more?
Yes.
Or one more balloon inside, or just one?
Isn't it easier if you put the confetti inside the clear balloon first?
Wow, that voice came out of nowhere. That was pretty good.
Yeah,
Yes, you're absolutely right. It's actually smarter.
Ghost mom.
Yeah, ghost mom. Okay,
It's a
so
ghost mom.
where's the funnel? Did we lose it?
Did we lose the fun? Oh, it's right. You're sitting on it.
I'm sitting on it.
How
Okay.
did that happen?
I don't know. All right, so let's put confetti inside.
Always the voice of reason.
Voice of reason.
You never need Google if you have a wife that knows it all. Here we go.
Exactly.
Push it inside.
Stick on my fingers.
Valentina, I am not sitting on it. I already have it in my hands. We're good, okay?
Just threw a little confetti there. This is. We did this for decoration.
Decoration that you're both gonna clean up.
Who, what, where, when? I didn't sign up for that. My contract didn't say anything about that. All right, here we go. So good. So we got the confetti inside.
Lots of confetti.
Yes, way more than the first one.
Yes.
All right, come.
Actually, can I do a yellow balloon?
Okay.
I like yellow.
The other one has a yellow balloon in it.
Yeah,
That's
but
why I
I
thought.
like it. I like yellow.
Okay.
But my most favorite color is blue.
Blue.
What?
I'm sorry, once again, what?
Colin's keys.
Alright, here we go. And I'm going to fill up the second one right over.
Excuse me. It sounded like a fart,
You're a fart expert?
but yes.
Okay, Vale, can you minimize the mess? Because Mommy's not going to be happy with this mess. Come on. Yeah, this seems about right.
That's mine.
We could have fit 2 more balloons in there. Alright, guys. Well, hope this was fun for you guys. Okay. Linda, you forgot you were making a video?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.